Let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered why maintaining prostate health is so crucial for men? Today I will share a story and some valuable tips on how you can keep your prostate healthy naturally. Meet Mr. Patel, a 55-year-old man who was always active and healthy. One day, he started experiencing frequent trips to the bathroom, especially at night. He felt discomfort and noticed his energy levels dropping. Worried, Mr. Patel visited me and learned he had an enlarged prostate, a common issue as men age. Determined to regain his health, Mr. Patel explored natural solutions. So, what exactly is the prostate? The prostate is a small gland located below the bladder and in front of the rectum. It plays a crucial role in male reproductive health by producing seminal fluid which nourishes and transports the sperm. Common prostate problems include benign prostatic hyperplasia (BPH), prostatitis, and prostate cancer. Symptoms can range from frequent urination, difficulty urinating, to the pelvic pain. Early detection and lifestyle changes are key to managing these conditions. Homeopathy offers several remedies for the prostate health. Some of the commonly used ones are Sabal cellulita, useful for treating BPH and urinary issues. Conium helps with prostate enlargement and associated urinary problems. Staphysagarina, effective for prostate inflammation and discomfort. It's important to consult with a homeopathic practitioner for personalized treatment. Nutrition plays a vital role in maintaining prostate health. Here are some tips. Tomatoes, rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that supports the prostate health. Green tea contains antioxidants that may reduce the risk of prostate issues. Nuts and seeds, sources of zinc, which is crucial for prostate function. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower. They contain compounds that support detoxification and hormone balance. Along with diet and homeopathic remedies, lifestyle changes are essential. Regular exercise, avoiding smoking, reducing alcohol intake, and managing stress can significantly impact your prostate health. Mr. Patel took these natural steps and saw remarkable improvement in his symptoms and overall health. Maintaining prostate health is about a holistic approach combining diet, homeopathy, and healthy lifestyle choices. If you have concern about your prostate, book your appointment for personalized advice. Thank you for watching and take care for your health.